So first we have to clean okra under the water and just wipe it with a towel and clean it, and you have to make it completely dry. And next what we have to do is we have to cut this okra. I will show you how to do that. So first we are going to cut this head part. Cut this head and little tail. We don't need these two. Take it off and we just cut it in a half like this. If you want, you can make this one more slit like this, and this also you can make one more slit. So like this you can make 4 pieces, or if you don't like 4 pieces, what you can do is, this okra is a kind of gooey and sticky, but it does taste very good. This is a super veggie food, so you can make like this half. Some people will take off inside seeds, but it's still good. You don't need to take off inside everything, you can use it as it is. So you can make 4 pieces, or you can cut in a half, or you can cut into like circles. See, so you can make small circles like this. So this is how circles look like. So this is the 3 ways you can cut in a small thin slices or half, or you can make like a circles like this. So I'm going to cut in a 4 slits like this. So half and next like this. So I'm going to make like this everything. So now okra pieces are ready. Take it in a mixing bowl, everything like this. Meanwhile, in a wok or a pan, add required oil and let it heat completely. So first I am adding 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder. So required salt. A pinch of turmeric powder. Now I am adding half a tablespoon of cumin seeds. So half a tablespoon of garam masala powder. Add 1 tablespoon of self-rising flour. So right now I am adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You can use potato starch, gluten free if you want. So now I am adding chickpea flour, gram flour, like 2 tablespoons. Finely chopped coriander leaves. So now we have to give it a nice mix, everything together like this. If you want crunchy okra fritters, don't add any liquids, just all dry ingredients, just mix it very well. In case if you think you want anything, something to combine, you can add little buttermilk. Mix it everything well incorporated like this. So after this, I'm gonna add a little buttermilk, just to combine all the ingredients, to bind everything. I'm adding little buttermilk. Just like add 2 tablespoons of buttermilk. Now okra is ready to deep fry. Oil is ready, so we'll start frying. So take the okra like this, you just drop it here like this. So okra fritters are ready. Now we can see the color has been changed into golden brown. So this is the time you can just take it in a paper plate. Okra fritters are ready to enjoy. See, you can hear the sound crunchy. How crunchy it is. See. So these are very yummy and very tasty. You can serve this with a cup of coffee and tea, and you can enjoy with some crunchy onions.